you and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to deposit money on your NoOnes account. And for this, it's quite simple. We go to wallets and at wallet we go to deposit. And right here on this page, all these steps will follow. So let's say we want to deposit crypto or we want to buy crypto. Let's say we want to, we want to buy crypto because we want to do this with just normal euros. The asset is like we saw here, USDT. And then from here, we can send 300 euros and you will get this. Then we do buy right here. And then he will send us to this payment methods site. And then from here, you need to select your payment method. So let's say I want to use my MasterCard, fill in all the details, save, and then do all these steps. And then after that, you will get your money and you did a deposit. So this is how you can deposit your money on NoOnes. Hopefully this was the video where you was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.